Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. In my previous video, I have given a brief introduction to Java. So from today's session, we will begin the coding part. I am using an application called Eclipse to run the Java program. So I have created a workspace called Automation Testing Online in Eclipse. Now we'll begin by creating a Java project. I'm giving the project name as A1 underscore syntax test. The following projects will be given the name as A1 underscore A2 underscore A3 underscore and so on to follow a sequence. And the project name is syntax test because we are going to discuss about the basic syntax of Java. So I have created the project. Now I am creating a package inside the project. How to create a project, how to create a package inside the project, all those things we will understand in my upcoming tutorials. So I'm giving the package name as syntax test. Remember friends, always the project name, the first letter should be in the uppercase, and in the package name, the first letter should be in the lowercase. So I'm giving the package name as syntax test 1. And then inside the package, we have to create the class. Class is where we are going to run the Java programs. As I said, you'll understand bit by bit in the upcoming tutorials. So let's give the class name as A1 underscore syntax test. It's not a problem that the class name and the project name is similar. Now I have created a class. So here inside the main method, I'm giving as a sentence say hello world. Now when I'm trying to run, first it's asking me to save. So I'm saving the program. So now the output in console, it shows us hello world. I'll explain the program now. As we can see that it contains a class and a main method. So every program must contain a class and every Java program must contain a main method. Every line of code that runs in Java must be inside a class. The curly braces, these curly braces marks the beginning and end of the block of code. Main method is required for all the programs. This is the main method. Any code we wanted to run should be inside the main method. We will discuss about the keywords and what is meant by public, static, void, all those things a bit in my upcoming tutorials. For now, just remember that every Java program has a class name and that every program must contain a main method. Also remember that each code statement must end with a semicolon. And system.out.println, we use this to print anything on the screen. For example, if I wanted to give any instructions to the computer, let's say that I wanted to add two numbers and then I wanted to multiply any number and then I wanted to print the answer. If I'm giving double slash, we can comment. Normally, we used to do this, we used to perform this action one by one, but in Java, we can perform this action all together by using functions. How to create a function? Let's say that I'm creating a function public static void and I'm giving the function name as add. So inside this function, I'm trying to print, let's say, addition. So if I run the program, will I get the output? No. For that, I have to inform to the main method. So this addition function has to be called to the main method. Remember friends, Whenever we create a function, that function has to be informed to the main method. Also, we cannot create one function inside another function. If I'm trying to give this function inside the main method, it's showing an error. One function cannot be created inside another function, and functions are also called as methods. Always remember that this curly braces marks the beginning and end of a block of code. Every line of code or every function should be inside the block of a class, and the function should be informed to the main method. Now, if I'm trying to run this function, after saving, I will get the output as addition. So friends, this is the basic part of Java. We will understand more in my upcoming tutorials. We will meet in my next video. Thank you.